Hi everyone! Today, we're going to talk about a legal concept that sounds complicated but is actually quite straightforward: waiving extradition. We'll break it down into simple terms so you can understand exactly what it means and why someone might choose to do it. Let's get started. First, let's understand extradition itself. Extradition is a formal process. It happens when one jurisdiction, like a state or a country, sends a person accused or convicted of a crime back to another jurisdiction. This is where they are wanted for legal proceedings. It's about ensuring justice can be pursued. Now, waiving extradition is when the person wanted by the law agrees not to fight this process. They voluntarily consent to be returned to the requesting jurisdiction. They give up their legal right to an extradition hearing. This hearing would normally determine if they should be sent back. So, instead of a potentially long and drawn-out legal battle, they essentially say, "Yes, send me back." It's a choice to bypass the formal legal challenge. There are several reasons why someone might make this choice. One common reason is to speed things up. Fighting extradition can take a very long time. It can involve many court appearances. This means spending more time in jail in the place where they were caught. Waiving it can result in a much quicker transfer. This allows them to start addressing their charges sooner. Another reason could be part of a plea bargain. They might waive extradition as a condition of a deal. This deal could offer a reduced sentence or other benefits. It could also be a strategic move. They might believe they have a stronger defense in the jurisdiction where they are wanted. Or they might simply want to avoid the legal costs and stress of fighting extradition. Sometimes, people just want to get the process over with. They want to face their charges and move on with their lives. It saves both time and money. It also reduces the anxiety of being in legal limbo. Once someone waives extradition, the authorities can then transport them. They are sent to the requesting jurisdiction without further legal delays. The process becomes much more efficient. There are fewer legal hurdles to overcome. This doesn't mean the person admits guilt for the crime. It simply means they agree to go back and face the charges. They still have all their legal rights once they are back in the original jurisdiction. They can still get a lawyer. They can still plead not guilty. They can still have a trial. Waiving extradition is about the transport process. It is not about guilt or innocence. In essence, waiving extradition is a significant personal decision. It's a choice made by the person wanted by the law. They choose to bypass the formal legal steps. They agree to be returned directly to face their charges. It has important implications for their legal journey. Thank you so much for watching and learning about this important legal concept with me today. I hope this explanation was clear and helpful for you. If you found this video useful and informative, please consider supporting the channel. Your support helps us create more content like this for everyone. We truly appreciate every bit of it.